Hello, beautiful people on YouTube. My name is Tamara T. I am your Amazon FBA BFF. In this video, I will be showing you the fastest way to make money on Amazon FBA with no risk. This video is perfect for anybody who has been feeling scared to start their Amazon FBA business. Maybe you just do not have the balls to start just yet. I promise you there is no risk in this video. You can test it out, see how it goes, and still make some money along the way. Let's dive right in. Anyone can use this Amazon FBA product research strategy to start making money on Amazon. Let's go to Helium 10 Black Box to find our winning product. Make sure you guys get 20% off Helium 10 by using this discount code that you see on the screen right here. I will also link it in the YouTube description below. This gives you 20% off 6 months on the Platinum plan, which is what you need to run your Amazon FBA business successfully. Make sure you guys are on the products tab, and we are going to head down to category and subcategory. Now I'm going to choose toys and games because I sell in this category. If you guys want to look at other categories, you are welcome to do so. But what I do not recommend is unchecking the subcategories. So you want to make sure all of your subcategories are checked off so you can maximize your product research. Review count. How many reviews do I want to see in these potential winning products? So I'm just going to put 100 to 1,000. You guys can do this as well. Weight is 0 to 2 pounds. Anything over 2 pounds will cost you a little bit more in Amazon FBA fees, and that's not what we want to do. Fulfillment, we are doing FBA. And then monthly revenue. Now here is something that is different. If you guys have watched any of my previous Amazon product research tutorials on my channel, I usually like to start off with a higher amount of monthly revenue. But in this tutorial, I am going to aim for lower because I'm trying to find lower competition products. Yes, this will mean less revenue. However, this will also mean little to no risk. So I'm just going to put in $5,000 revenue, and the max I want to see is, let's put 30,000. And looks like everything is good. And then click on the search button down here. And now Helium 10 is going to pull up all of the product ideas that are within this criteria. Now let's look at all of these product ideas. So the first question I like to ask myself here is, can I differentiate the product? Now, I've been doing product research for many years, and I can tell right away whether or not I can differentiate a product. It's so important that your product is different than your competitors because that is what is going to make you unique, and that is what is going to make your customers buy your product over your competitor's product. So I'm actually going to look at this kids cooking and baking set. I looked at this product before, so I want to look at it again. It's just something that I know I can differentiate, and I know that it's not going to cost me a lot to source. So if you guys have a look at the price points right here, for prices that are like $25.99, $24.88, anything that is with a higher price tag is going to cost you a lot more to source that product. So if we want to operate this business at no risk, we need to look at products that cost a little less. Now, this one is much on the lower side. It's $9.99, but I know that if I improve this product and I make it unique and I give the customers what they want, I can probably sell it at $13.99. Usually, if I were to add more value, I can add a few bucks onto my product and still get sales. Next, we are going to check out this product on Amazon.com to look at the profitability and see if we are happy with the profit margins. Now, I already know that this product makes just under $10,000 a month in revenue, and if they have good profit margins, they are probably bringing home anywhere from $2,000 to $3,000 per month, which is not bad for a simple product like this. So let's open that and go to your Helium 10 Chrome extension. You guys all should have this installed in your Chrome extension, and then go to Profitability Calculator. Now remember, I can list my price for a lot higher when I create my own version of this product add more value to it and give the customers what they want and differentiate and do all of that fancy stuff. So I'm not too worried about the $9.99. If I look down here, my profit margin is just under 30%, which is probably not exactly where we want to be. But like I said, if I were to improve this product, and I'll show you guys how to do that next, and I sell it for $13.99, Helium 10 is estimating that I will make a net profit of over $5 per month and over 37% in profit margin. So this is where we want to be, right? This is where we want to be. Now, I already know that this product costs close to nothing to source. Let's check it out on Alibaba.com. So we are going to type in kids cooking and baking set. If you guys are new to selling on Amazon and you want my mentorship on how to find winning products to sell, then make sure you get my free Amazon training in the YouTube description below. Enter your name, enter your email address, and make sure you watch the training to the end because you get to apply for a free one-on-one call with my team, and we will walk you through the entire process on how to find products to sell on Amazon that can actually make you money. So again, I am going to link the Amazon training in the YouTube description below. So let's take a look at how much it will cost for a kids cooking and baking set. Look at this one. It's exactly the same set that we see right here, but the price seems a little high. So let's see if I can find something better. This one's for $5.38. None of these prices are written in stone. You can always negotiate with the supplier. This one is a little cheaper, $3.69. And just ignore the shipping prices, you guys, because that's not what you will be paying for if you do FBA. Let's keep going down. This one is $3.62. So I'm just going to take that average price, the lowest price right here, and we are going to say it's about $3.69 each. So because we are not ordering 1,000 units to start, it's going to be super cheap for us and make it possible for anyone to get started. So if I take out my calculator, I want to order about 200 to 300 units per month just to see if this product gets any traction, just to see if our customers like the product, and just to see if this is a product that we want to commit to before ordering 1,000 units up front. This is for anyone who wants to operate at no risk. So let's pretend I only want to order 200 units to start, and I divide that by 30 days. That's about 6 units per day that I am hoping for in sales. And this is enough to tell me that yes, customers like my product, or no, if I am not selling any units per day, I didn't really lose out on much money, right? Because if I do the math, 200 multiplied by $3.69, I am only spending $738 on inventory. This is totally possible for anybody. So we are just going to take 200 units and pretend that we are going to start with this product. Now, we will not be contacting suppliers just yet because I want to see if I can even improve the product, add value to it, and give the customers what they want. And this is when product differentiation comes into play. So this is their customer reviews for this product. Overall, I see it's a really good product. There are 77% 5-star reviews and 11% 4-star. Of course, there will be some negative reviews. Every business has negative reviews. Can't avoid that. But let's see what they are talking about so we can fix the problem with our supplier. We will be contacting them next, but we want to make sure that before we contact them, we have everything we want to change to the product. I received the items 2 days ago. I bought it for my niece. Unfortunately, a piece is missing. The little wire whisk was not in the package. So it looks like a packaging issue. The supplier did not include all of the pieces. It's not a quality issue. Let's see. The items are so small and unrealistic. The gloves don't really insulate from heat, for example, and they're more fit for pretending to cook than cooking itself. Okay, ma'am, this is a fake cooking and baking set, so of course it's not going to look real. But what I am sensing here is that this customer probably wanted like a more realistic cooking set so their kids can actually use it to start cooking. So here's a really good idea. If I wanted to source this product, I will bring up to the supplier when they send me a product sample. I want it in a way where if a child were to start cooking and baking, they can actually use these utensils as well. So it's not just like a cooking set for fun, but they are actually using the cooking set for real cooking and baking. I think that would be really cool. This is actually a really good review to improve my product. I am not satisfied. Quality is terrible, but flimsy. So it just looks like cheap quality. If I were to improve the product, I probably want more sturdy quality and not flimsy. Did not include cookie cutters. Okay, that is a supplier issue. That's really bad. Way too small. So another tip for you guys is to actually order this product itself so you can inspect it and really see if it is way too small. I mean, it is for children, so it should be small, but maybe it's tiny. And if it is super tiny, you should be bringing that up with your supplier to make it bigger. So this is where your product differentiation can really help you increase that price and increase the quality so customers will buy your product instead. So this is how anyone can start an Amazon FBA business with little to no risk. We are only investing less than $1,000 into inventory. We are only ordering 200 units, and we are checking out differentiation to see how we can improve the product, increase our price before committing to 1,000 units. Now, again, this is for people that are on a budget. You are way too scared. But if you guys have my proper training, you should be really confident in ordering 1,000 units to start. That will make your journey a lot faster and you will get faster and bigger results. But for anyone who is scared, this is the way to go. So let's recap everything that we did today in this video. I know it's a lot of information. So you want to go to Helium 10 Black Box, fill in the criteria to look at potential product ideas. Look at the actual product listing and see if it's something that you want to sell. Check out the profit margins using your profitability calculator to see if you are happy with the margins. In our case, we were happy with it because I knew that I can add more value and increase the price to give myself a good profit. Go to Alibaba.com and calculate about how much it will cost you. Ask yourself, can you afford the product? I think anyone can afford this product. It's a very little amount of money for you to go out there and get started so you can start making some money. It may not be a ton of money to start, but it gives you that peace of mind that you are getting started and you're not investing a lot that will hurt your wallet. And then finally, you are looking at product differentiation through reviews to see how you can improve the product because, like I said, you want to increase that price here since you are selling only about 200 units a month or trying to aim for 200 units a month. So you want to see how you can improve the product, increase the price, and lastly, see how it goes and ask yourself if this is something that you really want to commit to long term. I hope this video has helped you guys today. If you guys enjoyed it, then please help me give this video a huge thumbs up. If you have questions, comments, drop it in the YouTube comment section below. And again, if you want free Amazon training, go to my YouTube description, get that free training so you can book a free one-on-one call with my team, and we will walk you through the entire process on how to find winning products to sell on Amazon.